Tableau open up, we're going to grab our Excel data and we're going to do week 7. All right, and let's get started. So these are our variables and data. So what we're going to do is go to sheet 1. We're going to rename this scatter plot. All right, and we are going to so we're going to get our predictor and outcome variables. So our prediction variable is completion rate of training. We're going to make that dimension, and we're going to put our outcome variable, which is job readiness, in rows, and we're going to make this a dimension. All right. And we're going to add a trend line, a linear one. All right, and there we have our simple scatter plot, and we want to arrange these by our gender variable and our country of origin variable. So what we're going to do is we are going to make our gender variable differentiate by color. So that's what we have here. And then we're going to do our country of origin and the rows. All right. And now you have it. You have 6 trend lines. And then we're going to go ahead and make a new worksheet. And we're going to name this our training histogram. And what we are going to do here is get our completion rate of training. We're going to do show me, and I'm going to do histogram. And there you have it. All right, and next we're going to do this with our outcome variable, which is job readiness. So we're going to do that again. And columns, make it a histogram, and there you go. And we're going to rename this J job R histogram. All right, and then we're going to make another sheet. And we're going to rename this our gender bar chart. And what we're going to do here is put in gender. All right, and we're going to do count. And we're going to do gender right here. And there you go. All right, we're going to do that again with our country of origin variables. So we're going to do, let's do origin bar chart. And we're going to do this right here. And do it again. All right, and we're going to make this a count. And there you go. All right, and the next thing is to make a legend of our 2-level demographic. And then we're going to put all this into a dashboard, okay? And we're going to do dashboard. All right, so as you can see, we're going to uh, so we want checkbox filters and a legend for our genders and slider filters for our predictor and criterion variables. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go to scatterplot. We have our gender legend right here. And we have, we're going to do country of origin filter. And we're going to click yes. Show filter. Okay, and we have it right here. All right, and we're going to do that again with here. Okay, we're going to click show. All right, got it. And then we're going to do our slider filters. We're going to do filter. Oh, no, wrong one. We're going to do it here. All right. Okay. Then we're going to click show filter. And we have this slider right here. And we're going to do that one more time with the training. And we're going to do this. Next. Okay. And then show filter. Okay, and we got it. So what we're going to do here is going to put our scatter plot in here, our training histogram. Let's go right here. Our job readiness histogram. Let's go right here. All right, and then our gender bar chart. Let's go right here. And our origin bar chart. Let's go right here. Okay, so there you have it. We have our dashboard with everything, including our all of our sliders and our filters. So the next thing we're going to do is create a story. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click new story. All right, and our first step, we're going to make it a scatter plot. So we can put right here, this is a simple bivariate scatter plot with trend line showing the job readiness scores by the rate of training completed. Okay, and what we're going to do with that is we're going to duplicate this. Okay, and we're going to get rid of all the filters. All right, and here we go. So we're going to do scatterplot 2. And we're going to put it right here. All right, and this is the simple one. And then we're going to do a second step. And in this, we're going to show how this varies by gender. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this again. And we're going to make it vary by gender. And we're going to remove this legend. Okay, and we are going to put it right here. So you can see female and male. It varies by gender. So we're going to do that again. And we are going to do this again, but we're going to add the country of origin. So we can go ahead and do this. Now this is scatter plot, shows the relationship of job rating scores by the rate of training, how they vary by gender, as well as participants' country of origin. So what we are going to do here is we're going to put in this one that has everything, how they vary. Okay, and what we're going to do next is create a dashboard. However, this is not going to have any filters. So we're going to add a blank. Okay. All right, this dashboard. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to duplicate this. Okay, and we're going to rename this unfiltered dashboard. Okay, and we are going to remove this. Remove. 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 Okay. And we're going to put this right here. So what we're going to do now is we are going to have this, but we're going to filter out 2 of the 4 variables. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to duplicate this again. Rename it. And DB with males and males from USA. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go to all right. And we are going to go here. And we are going to use as a filter. Ooh. Okay. And males. And we're going to do this, use it as a filter. Okay, and here we go. We have males from USA. So what we're going to do is create a new step. And we're going to do this. And All right, mails from the USA. Okay. And then we're going to do this again. And we're going to say that males from the USA that received the lowest scores for completion rates and job readiness. So what we're going to do here is um, all right, we're going to duplicate this. And lowest okay, we're going to do DB lowest score males from USA. Okay, and in this we are going to click that, keep only. Nope. Use as filter. And this. Use as filter. So the lowest scoring person was a male, was one person who scored a 47 and a 34. So we're going to go here and put this in. Okay. And we're going to add one more. And this is going to be a full dashboard with all of the controls displayed. And we're going to say this is the final dashboard with all features available. Here you can use the top right section of filters to view the data as you prefer. Okay, so what we're going to do here is do dashboard 1. Dashboard 1. Okay, and this obviously was not supposed to go the way I intended it. So what we're going to do here is dashboard 1. We are going to go to sheet. Okay, and we're going to clear these. Okay, got it. Gonna clear these. All right, gonna clear these. Okay, and here we go. So it should look just like this. All right, this is the full dashboard, and you can use it as you would like. It has um, gender. You can, do that with this, or you can um, only look at females from Mexico. All right, and that is it. Hope this was helpful.